Okay, so what's left in the box? What's left in the box is this cool set of goggles. And look, it says Emax on the top here. We also have a cable, charging cable, your typical charging cable, which will work well, I guess, with this. It also seems to work well with this kind of adapterish looking thing there. And you also get an antenna. You get 1 out of 2 antennas. If you want 2 antennas, you can provide the second one for yourself. Anyway, this is pretty cool, guys. I am very excited to know that this is all hunky-dory and stuff. And we're gonna give the instructions. There we go. Backside of instructions. Very useful, especially if the camera falls over. That makes it even cooler. Anyway, thanks for our little helpers. Always super helpful here.
Likey.